If you've ever found yourself squinting at small text in Adobe Acrobat, or wishing you could present a PDF cleanly, free from all the toolbars and distractions, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use full screen mode in Adobe Acrobat, so you can display your PDF documents in a clear, distraction-free way. Whether you're reviewing important files, sharing a presentation, or just prefer an uncluttered view. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to enter and exit full screen, and a couple of reasons why this simple trick is surprisingly useful. Let's get right into it. First, you'll want to have your PDF file open in Adobe Acrobat. This works whether you're using the free Acrobat Reader or the paid Acrobat Pro, so don't worry about which edition you have. If you don't already have a document open, just click File and select one from your computer, or drag the PDF file right onto the Acrobat window. Once your PDF is open, turn your attention to the top menu bar of the application window. Here, you'll see a row of words like File, Edit, and View. We're interested in the View menu since that's where Acrobat keeps most of its controls for changing how your PDF appears. So, go ahead and click on View. Inside this menu, look for the option labeled either Full Screen Mode or Presentation Mode. The name might look a bit different depending on what version of Acrobat you're using, but they all do the same thing. Trust me, you're in the right place. Selecting this option instantly expands your PDF to fill the entire screen. It's kind of like switching a movie to full screen mode. All the toolbars, menus, and background distractions will disappear, and your document becomes the center of attention. This is fantastic if you're sharing your screen during a meeting, giving a presentation in front of a room, or just want a focused reading experience. Now, once you're in full screen mode, you'll notice that everything except the PDF itself vanishes. This can feel a little strange at first, especially if you're used to working with lots of visible controls. If you ever need to jump to another page, simply click or use your arrow keys to navigate. Acrobat still lets you move through the document, even in full screen. And if you're multitasking or have other windows open, don't worry, that all comes back as soon as you exit. Speaking of which, let's cover how to get out of full screen mode, because you won't see the regular window controls once you're in it. Exiting is really simple. Just tap the Escape key on your keyboard. Sometimes you might need to press it once or twice, depending on your system or the Acrobat version, but in almost every case, one press will return you to the normal view, bringing back your toolbars and menus. If you ever get stuck or if the Escape key doesn't seem to work right away, take a breath. It's probably just a small hang-up with your computer catching up. Give it a few seconds and try again. Acrobat is designed to make this transition smooth, so don't worry if it takes a moment, and that's all there is to it. You've learned how to enter and exit full screen mode in Adobe Acrobat, making your PDF easier to view, present, or read without any distractions. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another tip you want to see covered. And if you're into practical tutorials like this, hit subscribe. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching.